Hello friends, good evening, and I'm Jay Shah. Today I'll just show you something new. This one is the Nikko nib. I have the brand new nibs, okay, and this one is the ZIG vermillion ink. Okay, I have just kept it in a box, in the glass box, and this one is my oblique holder that I have made myself. Okay, so let's start the true review and the writing of the Nikko nib. Okay, and this paper is 90 GSM paper. Okay, I have marked few lines to write. So let's open it up. It has come from Amazon. I have ordered it and it took about 11 days to come to my place. The packing is good. Let's take out the nib, new nib. There are 3 nibs total. I kept them aside. I've taken it. As you can see, the nib, new nib. So the basic rule is don't touch the tip of the nib anytime. Okay, I'm zooming it out for you. You see the Nikko nib. Okay, and those who are new to use oblique holder or straight holder, see it how to adjust it. Okay, many people in YouTube just say that, wait, let me fit it first. Yeah, it's new and it will take time. Slowly insert it, don't give any pressure. Okay, because different types of oblique holders and flanges are made it for different type of nibs. Okay, let's see. Yes, it has come. And now how to measure this. See the tip and the middle part of the holder. Always adjust it like this. Okay, first when you will adjust, it will take time. You see the gap. Okay, and now few people just burn with matchsticks or lighter. Don't do that, because these nibs are already tempered. Okay, they are hardy nibs, stainless steel nibs, so you don't have to burn it with a lighter or anything. Okay, many YouTubers just do it, but don't do that. It will just damage your nib and nothing. Okay, so let's start. Okay, it is comfortable for me. This is the ink. You shake it. Wow, you see the vermilion color with the ZIG vermilion. The color is beautiful. I've kept it, and now I will just dip it like this. Okay, for a while I have to dip it, because in the new nib there is something oily that protects the nib after manufacturing. When it comes to your hand, they are brand new and you have to process it. Few people just burn it with a lighter or a matchstick or insert in a potato. Okay, but I don't do that, or I don't prefer it, because it will just damage your nib. Just for a while keep it inserted here in the ink. Let the nib drink the ink. Let the nib drink the ink. This is my line I always use. Okay, I think it's almost ready. You see the ink is not dipping. Okay, so let's try to write something. Okay, first of all you have to adjust it. Okay, let's try to write something with this new nib. I will write a name. You see, with a single dip I have written this. Okay, now here the ink is stopped. We have to just again dip it. I'm writing one name of my own. Okay, with two dips I have written this. Now I have dipped it again and the name is complete. Okay, Mano Bikash. Okay, let me flourish it. So as you can see, the nib is just awesome. You can use it for any kind of writing, and see the ink, and this is the holder, and your nib should be in a perfect position to write. Okay, if you are writing copper plates, pencil, or any other modern calligraphy, okay, I have written just like this. Okay, so thank you for watching. Good night, take care.